How often does your back ache or feel strained after prolonged bending? Too often, people bend forward by looking down and leading with their heads. The spine forms an unprotected C shape, as seen here. This type of rounding can be dangerous, especially if we're lifting something heavy. Start by planting your feet parallel and hip-width apart. Maintain a neutral spine and a stable core as you shift the hips back. Try to hold a tabletop position at the bottom of your range. Re-engage your core and drive up with the stability of your abs, glutes, and hamstrings.